Welcome to Savage Circuits. I'm Chris Savage, and in this short circuits video we'll talk about a recent project I made using a 3D printer. This project is an important component of another type of project that I make using my laser box, acrylic LED signs. You see, the stock I use for etching my acrylic LED signs is obtained from Amazon, as are the LED bases recommended for use with them. The sign stock is 2mm cast acrylic and comes in three popular styles. The LED lamp base has a slot that seems to be designed to hold 4.5mm acrylic. Since the acrylic is 2mm, there's a gap causing the signs not to stand upright in the slot, which causes them not to light up evenly. Now I decided to try to create a solution by printing a part on my 3D printer that would be essentially a shim that would take up the gap between the 2mm acrylic and the slot in the base. I created the part in the Bamboo Lab slicer by adding two primitives and setting them to the necessary dimensions to create a shim and support, and then merge the two parts together. And the problem is that there's these little nubs in the slot that do not go all the way down inside the slot. And this means that the bottom of the shim and the acrylic, if long enough, can still move around the bottom of the slot. So even though the sign is more upright, it's still unstable and still moves some. Here is a sign with the shim, and one without for comparison. After thinking about the issue some more, I decided to redesign the 2D shim into more of a 3D adapter that would adapt the 2mm acrylic to the 4.5mm slot in the base. It would also go all the way down inside the slot. This new design was also created in the Bamboo Lab slicer and involved creating four primitives, cloning them, and of course adjusting their X, Y, and Z dimensions to create the parts I want, and then of course merge them all together. Once merged, this creates the adapter shim that you see here. Now the improved shim works well. The result is that the acrylic is not only stable in the slot now, but you can actually hold the sign upside down without the acrylic falling out of the base, yet you can easily change signs. The first time you're using the new shim, slide the acrylic sign into the shim first, taking care to align the tab at the bottom of the sign with the slot in the shim. Next, insert the shim into the slot in the base. It's a snug fit, so be sure everything's lined up properly. To change signs, use the tip of your finger to hold the adapter in the slot and grab the acrylic sign with your other hand and pull straight up. Next, insert the new sign into the slot in the shim. I hope that those who use the same acrylic stock in the base as I do will find this model useful. You can find this part as a free download on the Maker World website under the name Acrylic LED Sign Shim, or you can find my profile by searching for Savage Circuits. If you do print the shim, please leave a review on the Maker World page for the model, and take care everyone.